NCERT Exemplar Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 7, Exercise 7.1, Question number 8. The points -4, 0, 4, 0 and 0, 3 are the vertices of A. Option A, right triangle. Option B, isosceles triangle. Option C, equilateral triangle. Or option D, scalene triangle. Now let us see what these triangles are. An isosceles triangle is a triangle in which two sides are equal. And what is a scalene triangle? A triangle in which all sides are different in length. And what is an equilateral triangle? A triangle in which all sides are equal in length. And what is a right triangle? A triangle which obeys Pythagoras theorem, which is the square of the largest side is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. The given points are A, -4, 0, B, 4, 0 and C, 0, 3. Now let us find the length of the sides of the triangle ABC, which are AB, BC and CA. First let us find the length of the side AB. AB is equal to, here the points A, -4, 0 is x1, y1 and B, 4, 0 is x2, y2, and the distance between these 2 points is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Root over x2 is 4 minus x1 is -4 whole square plus y2 is 0 minus y1 is 0 whole square, that is equal to root over 4 minus of -4 is 8 square, that is equal to 8. Now let us find the length of the side BC. BC is equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here B, 4, 0 is the point x1, y1 and C, 0, 3 is the point x2, y2. Let us substitute these values, that is equal to root over x2 is 0 minus x1 is 4 whole square plus y2 is 3 minus y1 is 0 whole square, that is equal to -4 whole square can be written as 4 square plus 3 square under root, that is equal to root over 16 plus 9 is root over 25, which is equal to 5 units. Now let us find the length of side CA is equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here the point C, 0, 3 is the x1, y1 and the point A, -4, 0 is x2, y2. Let us substitute these values in the formula. Root over x2 is -4 minus x1 is 0 whole square plus y2 is 0 minus y1 is 3 whole square, that is equal to root over -4 whole square is 4 square plus -3 whole square is 3 square, that is equal to root over 16 plus 9 is root over 25, which is equal to 5. Now let us write the three sides. AB is equal to 8 units, BC is equal to 5 units and CA is equal to 5 units. From these three sides we can observe that two sides are equal in the given triangle. Therefore, from the given options, the triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Option B, isosceles triangle, is the right answer.